This is a piece of the board that comes up in front of the carport. Comes down there where it's got moist on it and it's rotted off. Right there, I'm gonna replace that, cut that spot out straight across there and just add another piece on it. And without replacing the whole board, because the rest of the board seem to be all right. And I can do that right there. And I can go ahead and do that if my little buddy don't get in my way, so I can take a good video of it, and I'll put it on YouTube and other people can see how to save money by just fixing the spot that's bad down at the bottom. This here is one view of the rotten spot of the trim that goes around the front of the garage. And I'm not no expert at this, so it's not perfect, but it'll give you a good idea how you can tackle the job with the utmost confidence. Even if you don't know what you're doing, you can try this and you'll be so proud of yourself, because you're going to save yourself a lot of money by fixing it this way. I'm going to cut it right across here. Right across here. And that right there, that'll show you how you can get all this. I use a chisel down here. I cut it much as I could with a saw. Then I use a chisel to chisel out around the part that I couldn't get with a saw because of the brick or something like that would hit the saw. And I use a chisel after I marked it with the saw, and then I'll cut that out like a box. And you'll be so proud of yourself when you fix this. You can take your time with it, make sure it all matches up good where you put it back together. As the one I'll show you, it ain't as perfect as it ought to be, but it'll give you a great idea how to do it. And take a little time, you can really fix a nice job out of it and save you some money, and you'll be so proud of yourself. This is another view of the bad spot that I'm going to cut out. And like I showed you on the other one, I'm going to cut it right straight across there, back here, and cut it with a saw. But I hit the rock, so I'm going to use a wooden chisel down in here to finish squaring it up. This here's the finished product. It's not perfect, as you can tell, right across there. I don't have it matching as good as it should be, but I could have took it back off and shaved off a little bit in the back or something to make it fit nice and flush across there. But you can do that, and you'll understand what you need to do. If it don't come out just like you want it right here, take it back apart and shave it off a little bit. Either shave it off in front here if you can, if you got a way to do it with a plane or something. And hey, get ready to paint it, and you will not even see this here seam if you get it to match up real good here. So this is a finished product. Be putting a box on the end of the rotted part of the board, and hey folks, you just gonna love it to do this and save yourself some money.